In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact data from HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. First, open HubSpot and land on your main dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to export contact data. If you're part of a larger team, it's a good idea to confirm you have the right access before you begin to avoid delays later. From the main navigation, click Contacts. This takes you to your full contact list. You'll see your standard view with columns like name, email, and lifecycle stage. If you only want to export a specific group, say a region or a particular lifecycle stage, apply filters or switch to a saved view before you continue. That way, the export includes only what you need and keeps the file lean. Now, select the contacts you want to export. Use the checkbox at the top left of the table, next to the column headers, to select all contacts currently shown in the list. If HubSpot offers a banner asking if you want to select all records in the filtered view, use it to include every matching contact across all pages, not just the first page you're viewing. This is especially helpful for larger databases. With your contacts selected, click Export. You'll typically find this near the top of the list view. Clicking Export opens the Export panel or dialog where you'll finalize the file details. Give your export a clear, descriptive name. A simple naming convention, such as Contacts All Export Month Year or Contacts Filter Name Month Year, will make the file easy to find and understand later, especially if you or teammates export regularly. Next, choose your file format. CSV is a great all-purpose option, especially if you plan to upload into another system or analyze in Google Sheets. XLSX is ideal if you prefer working in Microsoft Excel and want native formatting. If you're sharing the file with others, check what tool they'll use and pick the format they can open most easily. When everything looks right, click Export. HubSpot will begin preparing your file. For small to medium lists, the download may start right away. For larger exports, you might receive a download link by email once it's ready. Be patient if it takes a moment. Large datasets can take longer to process. That's it. You've successfully exported your contact data from HubSpot. As a final tip, handle the file carefully. It likely contains personal information, so store it securely and only share it with people who need access. If you ever need to repeat this, remember to set your view or filters first. Select your contacts. Click Export. Name the file clearly. Choose the right format, and finish with export.